So in this Questrade tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to withdraw money here on your Questrade account. So once Questrade's opened up, scroll down a little bit to where you see Move Money. Press on the Move Money icon. Now once you're here, I want you to go ahead and press the second option down and press on Withdrawal. Now once you're here, you can go ahead and select the cash account at your disposal. Then go ahead and press on your bank account just like that. So if I were to go ahead and press here, I can connect a new bank account, then go through all the steps, and then press on done. You can also look for other withdrawal methods by pressing on this little green option right down here. So very simple, very straightforward, but that is how to withdraw money in your Questrade account. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.